So these are the best gaming pre-builds that I've seen at CES 2025, and I know that you don't want to miss out on this chance to see it. Well, come with me to CES 2025 and I'll show you these 3 gaming pre-builds. So all of these pre-builds are made by the company called Ace Gaming, and here is their first product, their top of the line full spec Firestorm Inferno gaming desktop. This is their ATX form factor configuration with the Windows 11 4, Ryzen 9 9900X, 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 4 TB of M.2 storage, and an RX 7800 XT with a 1250 watt power supply. And along with the high-end specs that this has, it also looks pretty good. Like, look at that AIO over there. It features a full 90-degree curved LED screen, which you can customize it to show like whatever you want. And inside you can see they have like put these pandas, like they have like this panda type custom theme. And the graphic card looks pretty good as well. Now if you guys are wondering where the power supply is because it is nowhere to be seen, well, they have actually hidden it in the back panel. So right over here, as you can see, the power supply is vertically mounted in the side panel, that it is concealed basically. And it has a decent amount of ports as well, as I have listed over here. And on the top it has 2 USB ports, 1 Type-C, 1 headphone, and the power button as well. Now looking at this build, this is a pretty high spec beefy computer for a lot of video editing or gaming, of course, so I really love this PC. Now here comes the second desktop, and this desktop is the Firestorm Blaze, which features a Windows 11 Pro, AMD Ryzen 9 9900X, 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 2 TB of M.2 storage, and a RX 7700 XT with the same 1250 watt power supply. And now this is supposed to be like a little lower model than the previous one, but it still looks pretty impressive. Like with the black scheme that they're going for, the black and red, it really goes for the fire and blaze color scheme. Now this last build that we're going to be looking at is the Firestorm Spark, featuring the Ryzen 7 9700X, 32 gigs of DDR5, 2 TB of M.2, a RX 7600 XT, but with a 850 watt power supply. And honestly, this PC looks stunning with all those fans. The AIO looks pretty good, the RGB RAM, and just everything on this PC is perfect. And this has a lot of cooling, so you don't need to worry about it overheating as well. So I really recommend this PC if you want to buy it. And another one of their products that they had is for their forensics model. This is one of their mobile devices for like forensic examiners and all those scientists out there, which they can use this as like a server workstation type of build, as you can see. And this is not one of those gaming desktops, so this won't have a graphic card. But for these specs, this has a i9 14900T and also a lot of gigabit ports, a lot of internal drive setup, and basically a whole lot of storage because it is a workstation. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys liked it, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe down below. And let me know down in the comments on what you think about these PCs. And now thank you so much for Ace Computers for letting me film their booth at CES and letting me check out their awesome new computers. And be sure to follow my channel for more updates on upcoming CES videos. I have a list of ton of exciting products coming up, so be sure to hit that notification bell. Peace.